Fully active people. Jerk shrimp outside. That is it. Fully active before that year. That welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M. and this is Cook and Vibe. We are outside again. That is it. Today, people, we are making jerk shrimp. First of all, ingredients. Now I've done the seasoning a couple times with you already on the episodes with a jerk recently, but I am gonna do it one more time. Obviously you're gonna need some shrimp. I've got these Argentinian red shrimp. Best to have them with the shells on. Clean up your shrimp, open up the shell bit, so it's easier to take off once they're cooked. You know what I'm saying? So first of all, you're gonna get the dry seasoning on there, people. Any jerk seasoning, dry seasoning would be good. I haven't actually got any, so I'm just gonna be using a little blend of this and this all-purpose. Yeah, but use jerk seasoning if you can get it a dry one, yeah? With them dry seasonings in there, that's it, and just give things all mix around properly. That is it. Dry seasoning is done, people. Now we need the wet seasoning. Add an onion to the blender, a few cloves of garlic. Ginger would have been, a little bit of ginger would have been nice, but I ain't got it. Yes, people. Oh, nearly dropped it. Scotch bonnet goes in next. Then we're gonna put some scallion in as well. And what we're gonna add to that is some thyme, which we're gonna get from the garden, and the ingredient which we didn't have last time, whole pimento. That is one of the main ingredients that's gonna go in this, people. All right, so we got our scallion, our Scotch bonnet, our onion, our garlic. We're soon gonna add some thyme, add some of these in now. Good vibes, people. All right, let's go and get some thyme from the garden, and then we are gonna add some of the wet seasoning. Yeah, just wanna chop some of this thyme off. That should be good. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that should be good, people. Yeah, wash that thyme, get it in there. Now we're gonna add some of this seasoning. I'll show you how much. Maybe one more. About that is good. And we're gonna add a little tiny bit of white vinegar, a little bit of water, and that is it, people. Blend this up and put them on the shrimp. There we go. As you can see, nice. Good vibes, people. Fill that up and just let that marinate for at least 2 hours. You understand, Cook and Vibe? Fully active. Yeah, man, sorry, I had a little fly on me there. Yeah, at least 2 hours or overnight. That is it. Get this up and running. You get me? Look, we've got the coal pot down there, ready to use. Good vibes, people. You know the code already. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Press that like button, get the video moving, and hype up the video. Hype it, hype it. All right, it's go time, people. They've marinated for a good couple hours. Overnight would have been better, but everything good, same way, you know. Yeah, so we're just gonna start getting them on there. Now shrimp don't take long to cook, remember people, so just make sure they've got enough marinade on them, and that is it. Start getting them on there, you know what I'm saying? Jerk shrimp today, people. Good vibes, the sunshine is out, we are about. You know what I'm saying? There's our first set, you know what I'm saying? Slow cook, people. Yeah, you don't want to bun up the shrimp, they don't take long at all, you know what I'm saying? So there's the first, you know what I'm saying, section. We've got some more in there. Good vibes. Let's have a look, people. That is it. Look at them. Most of these are probably nearly done. Let's have a little check. Yeah, how good vibes. See that? That is what we're looking for. Yeah. Give me a little turnover, people. Couple more minutes. And these ones are done. We'll get the next ones on there, you know what I'm saying? That is it, cook and vibe. Look at the banana tree. Active. I'm just here watering some of the plants, people. I think this was sorrel. This one here. I think this one here was okra. This is the June plum tree that I'm trying to get back to life. I don't know if it's going to work. These are grabber. These are some of the grabber that are separated. I'll do a full garden episode very soon. This is the sorrel. But yeah, just watering some of the plants, people, whilst the shrimp are cooking. Yeah, there is some of the first batch there, people. Jerk shrimp, that is it. Gonna get these on now. Fully active, my father. Out in the backyard. Look at that. Beautiful sunshine. Yes. Give thanks and blessings. Give it that last little swish round in the seasoning, you know what I'm saying? Before we put it on there. Good vibes. Yeah, second batch, people. In the meantime, people, while they are cooking, we're gonna do like a little like salsa kind of thing. A little mango salsa to go with the shrimp. So let's get busy with that. Fully active. All right, people. So the first thing we're gonna add is a red onion. You get me? Red onions are nice. The salsas and everything there gives it a little bit of a different, little bit of a fresher feel. Not so intense. You know what I'm saying? Good vibes. Chop up this nice and small, people. I hope everybody's all right. Hope you enjoyed the Amsterdam episode. I will be uploading the full set, because I did ask people if they wanted me to upload the full set from the show in Amsterdam. And yeah, a couple people commented to say yes, so I will upload that. I hope you're enjoying the brand new song. It's out right now on all streaming platforms. The link will be in the description to stream it, download it, whatever. You would have seen some of the videos on the channel already. Good vibes, people. All right, we got our red onion. Chop up this half. The shrimp are pretty much done now. They only need a few minutes on each side, people. Good vibes. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Right. That is the red onion. Done. Right, next, people, we're gonna add a tomato. Yeah, give that a little wash in there. That is it. Good vibes. Chop that in half. get this as small as we can as well. I think I need some new knives, people. 1 tomato should be enough, I reckon. Yeah. Outside in the garden, people, are good vibes. I'm telling you, I told you from that time the other day when you see me with the coal pot, I ain't cooking nothing indoors. Nah, nothing's getting cooked indoors. Everything is outside where the real vibes are there. You know what I mean? All right, cool. So we got our tomato now. That's done. Get rid of some of that water off there from the tomato. All right, next we are going to add mango. Yeah. Add some mango in this. There we go. I think I should just probably just cut it like this. And just take the skin off like that. And there's still flesh on that bit there. I'll eat that in a minute. We don't waste nothing around here, cooking vibe. So yeah, chop up the mango. Nice and small. There's not much else that's going to be going in here, to be honest with you, people. It's quite a simple one. Our onion, our tomato, and our mango in there. Next, we're going to cut a lime. Good vibes. Squeeze that lime in there. Like so. That is it. Cook and vibes. Listen, the Pum Pum song is out right now. Oh, it's going mad viral on TikTok, people. If anybody uses TikTok, make sure you get over and use the sound, because it's going mad viral. Every time I post it, I'm nearly getting 1 million views. All right, next we're gonna add a little bit of white vinegar, just a little touch. That is it. And then some salt, people. Bit of salt in there. Nice bit, because we want it to be sharp. We want it to be, yeah. Let's give this all a mix up, and this is gonna go perfect with the shrimp. You know what I'm saying? A little side salsa kind of thing. Yeah. Also got some corn, people. So give that a wash and get that on the barbecue as well. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do with these last bits of corn, because they're cooked anyway, but do you know what I want? I want a little char on them. That's what I'm gonna do, people. I'm gonna take off this. And I'm just gonna put these straight on the coal. Yeah. Straight on, popping like popcorn. Fully active, people. Jerk shrimp outside. That is it. That is popping. Get that turned over. Yeah. Yeah. That is what we wanted. Couple seconds on that side. Don't worry about all this. Is going to go in butter and garlic. No, not garlic in this. Just butter and salt. Yeah. perfect. Good vibes. There we go. All right. Let's start setting up our plate now, people. Outside in the garden, we've made jerk shrimp, corn, and we got some salsa indoors. You know what I'm saying? We're fully active. A little garlic butter there, people. You know what I'm saying? There's a bit of mango in there, but don't worry about it from the chopping board. Get that going in there for a sec. And then all we're gonna do is look at these lovely jerk shrimp. Look at them, people. Yeah. All right, cool. We've got our little jerk bar. All right, cool. Let's set it up. There you go, people. Look at that, there's my little salsa. So we get a bit of that on there. Right, so. Get a few shrimp. Get them on there. Over this side, because I don't want that garlic butter to hit over there. Get a few of them on there. Good vibes. A little garlic butter. We can just, yeah, good vibes. And then by now, that would have all soaked in. And there we got it. Our corn, people. And there you have it. Jerk shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Let me try a bit of this. Yeah. Let me sit down. People. See, like I told you to get the shells off. It makes it easier to peel them afterwards, you know? Yeah. Let's get that first shrimp out the shell. I'm excited. Why is it not coming out? There we go. Dip it in that. Oh my God. Oh, they're so good. So good. A little bit. That is a perfect combination, people. I tell ya, you gotta have a bit of garlic butter on your shrimp, even if it is jerk. You know what I'm saying? These are amazing. I wish I liked to eat the shell, but I don't, unfortunately. Yeah. Crazy. Corn. Salty and buttery. Just how you want it. People, big up yourself. See you next time.